Solana BTC. So for Sol against BTC, here we are. Sol BTC is not looking good. We have already established a very clear support over here. Oh my god. With this touch, 1, 2, 3. The thing about Solana against BTC is, again, we're still above the skinny pink line. We have been above the skinny pink line since the beginning. We've been above the skinny pink line. Solana has never crossed the skinny pink line on the BTC pair. USD pair, we've already crossed it, but on the BTC pair, we're still above the skinny pink line. But I don't really like what I see. I'm seeing mountains over here. Could this mountain start turning into valleys instead? Yeah, sure. It could go both ways. Solana BTC could still go both ways. Cryptocurrency as a whole is largely bearish, but Solana against BTC is still bullish due to the price still being above the skinny pink line. The bullish momentum still is there for Solana against BTC. I just don't know whether if we're going to last, more, whether if there's going to be more upside to come, whether if the bullish momentum is going to last for us to see a new all-time high first before potentially dropping lower, right? Or we could just be dropping from here. We are not too sure. We would like to see what kind of a rally we're going to get, right? If this is a 5-wave move, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If we have a strong rally, a very weak dip, and then yes, we could be breaking out. But if this is a weak rally, strong dip, weak rally, strong dip, obviously we're going to get mountain ranges. And once we get mountain ranges, that's it. We're coming down for Solana against BTC. Things could get really ugly. But at the same time, we could still break the resistance to form a new all-time high. Sol USDT. So for Sol against USDT, we have two targets for Sol against USDT, right? 101.59. The other one is at $70. Sol, was down 68%. Holy shit. So another 31% more towards $70. That is our guess for Sol against USDT. We identified the head and shoulders previously. We broke down from the head and shoulders. We've hit target number 1. We still have target number 2 for Sol against USDT. And we're still waiting for more downside for Sol. Will we get it? I'm not too sure myself. We are actually hoping for more though for Sol. We have a 1-to-1 extension over here to $1,000. But we stopped short at $200. I guess we are gonna have to reconsolidate a little bit longer first before going higher for Sol against USDT. I just don't see the bullish reversal yet. This is not a bullish reversal, so be careful about going long for Sol against USDT. All right. Yes, even though we're down 68%, this doesn't mean that we cannot drop another 68%. 68%, 68%. Absolutely possible, right? I still suspect that we're going to head towards the noisy area over here, which is at about $37, $38 eventually. We're probably going to form some sort of a bearish sharp pattern and then potentially head towards that low. Could we still resume the uptrend? Sure, of course. But if we do resume the uptrend, I suspect that, again, this will be the completion of a bearish reversal eventually. It could either be shorter than the all-time high. We could still get all-time high, but eventually I would still expect things to come back down, right? This will either be a head and shoulders or a descending triangle. Either one. And then we head lower, right? So again, a rally is not out of the cards, but this is not a bullish reversal. So be very, very careful about going to a trade too soon for Solana.